Hello everyone. This session is about SolidWorks, which is a computer-aided design software. Using this software, we will develop this drawing on SolidWorks. You can see its isometric view with all the important dimensions given. And there are two parts. One is the steps and the other one is the pin. The pin is going to fix into this hole. So we are going to develop this, but before that, I will quickly take you to the instructions. For this assembly, you need to draw it in either first angle or third angle orthographic projections. You need to draw front, top, and side view. Annotate your drawing with some drawing symbols and at least 4 dimensions. So of course you will be using different drawing symbols and you have to annotate at least 4 of the dimensions. And you need to show the sectional view of the assembled object. The sectional view, you have to cut the object in this direction, okay, that we will do in the software. And then draw 3D assembled view. Assembled means you have to put the pin into the steps like this, and you need to show the 3D view and then upload the drawing file and PDF file on Blackboard. So we are going to perform this task using SolidWorks. Okay, so I'm going to open the SolidWorks here. I will open a new file. So when you open SolidWorks, you will see this. You need to select part, press OK. Okay, now this is the screen which you see. We are going to use these two options most of the time, features and sketch. So we are going to start from the sketch now. Press this button for sketch. Use front plane. This is your origin point. So first of all, we are going to draw the steps. We will go to the sketch now and the line option. We'll start from the origin, click and draw the line. If you see this yellow sign with a straight line, it means your line is straight. If you angle it down, the yellow sign will go away. So make sure it is exactly horizontal. Okay, click again, go up, click again. Again, you can see the green icon is showing, mentioning that the line is exactly perpendicular. So make sure that your lines are horizontal and perpendicular, because we are going to reflect the steps. Then go up again and see, now my line is exactly horizontal, and also it is the dotted line showing going down to the origin that my point is exactly in line with the origin. So you need to click here and draw it down and then click on the origin again. So now this shape is approximately the kind of the steps which we have seen here, but now we have to give the dimensions. So for that you need to go to the sketch, smart dimension, click this, and then this dimension, click this and bring it down. Now according to the drawing it is 80, so I am going to enter 80 and then tick button, okay, or you press enter from keyboard. This dimension is 40. I will put 40 here. This dimension is 80, so I will put 80 here. And now this dimension, this is 40, so this is also 40. This is also 40 and this is also 40. So all these 4 dimensions are 40. So let me give smart dimension to this. Okay, let me select it again. sketch, smart dimension 40. Okay, so now when you see that all lines are black, it means your sketch is fully defined. If you see any line in blue, it means your sketch is underdefined and there are still some dimensions which are not fixed. But as of now, you started from the origin and you drew the steps shape. You have given all the dimensions, okay, and now it is fully in black color. It means it is fully defined. Now your drawing is complete. It is a 2D sketch, but we have to develop a 3D model from there. Okay, now this is 40 and you don't have to give dimension for this line because the total height is 80. So the 40 minus from the total height, it will be automatically understood that this is 40. The same is the case for this line. Okay, this is 40 and the total width is 80. So you don't have to give dimension for that. Now, because it's a 3D shape, the steps are, you can say, the wide. We have drawn just this face. So we have to use a feature called extruded boss. Okay, that will uh, give you option to make it a 3D model. So you can extend your 2D sketch into a 3D like this. You can drag this arrow, bring it forward or backward. You can make it also in the other direction, but I'm making it in this direction. And according to my drawing instructions, the length of this has to be 100. So from here, you can give the length as 100 millimeters. So press OK. So now this shape is made as per the giving instructions. But you can see there is a hole here. This hole we have to make. The hole diameter is given as 20. So this hole is going all the way through from top to bottom. Okay, and the diameter is 20. So we will do that. This surface I will use to make the sketch. So click this surface and this option will pop up. Press sketch. So this blue color face is in front of you. Now you have to make a circle. Go to sketch option, circle. Now the circle has to be exactly in the center. So you need to go hover your mouse on this line. You will see the center point of this line. Okay. Then you go to this line. You will see center point of this line. And when you bring your mouse here, you can see the dotted line is showing that this is exactly the center point, and both the lines, the midpoint is intersecting at this point. So here you click your mouse left button and okay, it's gone again. Let me try it again. Okay, from here click and drag your mouse and just make a circle. We will do the smart dimension later on. Go to sketch, smart dimension, click on this circle and make it 20. Press enter and there you go. Now this hole, there should be a hole. I just drew a circle on the surface. For that you have to go to the feature. We have to use an option called extruded cut. This is going to cut the hole. So press this. Okay, now you can see this arrow going all the way down up to here. So it is automatically giving me option to cut it through 100 millimeter. So 100 millimeter means it is going more than the object because our object height was 80 if you remember. So it's fine. I'm just going to press OK because it is going to serve the purpose. So the hole is made in this part. So the steps drawing is finalized. Now I will save as. You can name it as steps, and because you are using computer lab, so remember to write your name so that you don't forget your part. You can save it on desktop now. Okay, so our one part of the drawing, which is the steps, has been completed. In the next tutorial, I will teach you how to draw the pin. Thank you.